Welcome to our cardiovascular nonsense quiz. My name is Nurse Grace, and today we will be testing your knowledge with 30 essential questions on cardiovascular conditions, medications, and nursing care. Each question comes with an answer and a clear rationale to help you understand the why behind it. This quiz is perfect for nursing students, NCLEX prep, or anyone wanting to sharpen their cardiovascular knowledge. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated on more nursing quizzes and educational content. Thank you so much. Without further ado, let's get started.
1. Which of the following is the main function of the cardiovascular system? Digestion. B. Respiration. C. Circulation of blood and nutrients. D. Excretion. Answer C. Rationale. The cardiovascular system primarily circulates blood, delivering oxygen, nutrients, and removing waste products. 2. The heart is located in which body cavity? Abdominal cavity. B. Pelvic cavity. C. Thoracic cavity. D. Cranial cavity. Answer C. Rationale. The heart is located in the thoracic cavity, specifically within the mediastinum. 3. The heart has how many chambers? 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer C. Rationale. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. 4. Which of the following vessels carry oxygenated blood? Pulmonary veins. B. Pulmonary arteries. C. Superior vena cava. D. Inferior vena cava. Answer A. Rationale. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. 5. Which layer of the heart is responsible for its pumping action? Endocardium. B. Myocardium. C. Epicardium. D. Pericardium. Answer B. Rationale. The myocardium is the muscular layer responsible for the heart's pumping action. 6. What valve prevents backflow of blood into the left ventricle? Tricuspid valve. B. Pulmonary valve. C. Mitral valve. D. Aortic valve. Answer D. Rationale. The aortic valve prevents blood from flowing back into the left ventricle. 7. The lub-dub sounds of the heart are caused by A. The opening of valves. B. The closing of valves. C. Muscle contractions. D. Blood flowing through vessels. Answer B. Rationale. The lub-dub sounds are from the closing of heart valves, with lub due to AV valves and dub from semilunar valves. 8. The sinoatrial SA node is known as the brain of the heart. B. Pacemaker of the heart. C. Main artery of the heart. D. Heart's power source. Answer B. Rationale. The SA node initiates the heartbeat, setting the pace for heart rate. 9. Blood returning to the heart from the body flows into the right atrium. B. Left atrium. C. Right ventricle. D. Left ventricle. Answer A. Rationale. Blood returns from the body to the right atrium via the superior and inferior vena cava. 10. Which of the following carries deoxygenated blood? Aorta. B. Pulmonary arteries. C. Pulmonary veins. D. Left ventricle. Answer B. Rationale. The pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. 11. What type of blood vessel has valves to prevent backflow? Arteries. B. Capillaries. C. Veins. D. Arterioles. Answer C. Rationale. Veins have valves to prevent blood from flowing backward. 12. Which chamber of the heart pumps blood to the lungs? Left atrium. B. Right atrium. C. Left ventricle. D. Right ventricle. Answer D. Rationale. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs via the pulmonary arteries. 13. Blood pressure is highest in which type of blood vessel? A. Capillaries. B. Arteries. C. Veins. D. Venules. Answer B. Rationale. Blood pressure is highest in the arteries, closest to the heart. 14. The coronary arteries supply blood to the lungs. B. Liver. C. Kidneys. D. Heart. Answer D. Rationale. Coronary arteries supply oxygenated blood to the heart muscle itself. 15. Oxygen exchange between blood and tissues occurs in veins. B. Arteries. C. Capillaries. D. Arterioles. Answer C. Rationale. Capillaries are where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged with tissues. 16. Which side of the heart has thicker walls? Left side. B. Right side. C. Both sides are the same thickness. D. Neither side has walls. Answer A. Rationale. The left side has thicker walls to pump blood to the entire body. 17. The term systole refers to heart relaxation. B. Heart contraction. C. Blood pressure measurement. D. Heartbeat rhythm. Answer B. Rationale. Systole is the phase of heart contraction, when blood is ejected. 18. Which component of blood is primarily responsible for clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Answer C. Rationale. Platelets play a major role in the clotting process. 19. The aorta is part of which circulatory circuit? A. Pulmonary circuit. B. Systemic circuit. C. Coronary circuit. D. Hepatic circuit. Answer B. Rationale. The aorta is part of the systemic circuit, carrying blood to the body. 20. Which blood vessel carries blood from the lungs to the heart? Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Superior vena cava. E. Aorta. Answer B. Rationale. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. 21. The tricuspid valve is located between the left atrium and left ventricle. B. Right atrium and right ventricle. C. Right ventricle and pulmonary artery. D. Left ventricle and aorta. Answer B. Rationale. The tricuspid valve is between the right atrium and right ventricle. 22. The mitral valve is also known as the bicuspid valve. B. Tricuspid valve. C. Aortic valve. D. Pulmonary valve. Answer A. Rationale. The mitral valve, or bicuspid valve, is located between the left atrium and left ventricle. 23. Which blood cells are primarily responsible for carrying oxygen? White blood cells. B. Platelets. C. Red blood cells. D. Plasma cells. Answer C. Rationale. Red blood cells carry oxygen due to the presence of hemoglobin. 24. The blood vessel that carries blood from the digestive organs to the liver is the hepatic artery. B. Hepatic vein. C. Portal vein. D. Renal vein. Answer C. Rationale. The portal vein transports nutrient-rich blood from the digestive tract to the liver. 25. Which layer of an artery is primarily responsible for maintaining blood pressure? A tunica intima. B. Tunica media. C. Tunica externa. D. Endothelium. Answer B. Rationale. The tunica media, which contains smooth muscle, helps regulate blood pressure. 26. A normal resting heart rate for adults is typically A. 20 to 40 beats per minute. B. 40 to 60 beats per minute. C. 60 to 100 beats per minute. D. 100 to 120 beats per minute. Answer C. Rationale. A normal resting heart rate for adults is generally between 60 and 100 bpm. 27. The blood pressure reading that measures pressure when the heart is at rest is called systolic. B. Diastolic. C. Mean arterial pressure. D. Pulse pressure. Answer B. Rationale. Diastolic pressure measures the pressure in arteries when the heart is resting between beats. 28. Which part of the brain regulates heart rate? Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Hippocampus. Answer C. Rationale. The medulla oblongata controls heart rate, as well as other autonomic functions. 29. When blood vessels constrict, this results in decreased blood pressure. B. Increased blood pressure. C. Increased heart rate. D. Blood flow to the extremities. Answer B. Rationale. Constriction of blood vessels raises blood pressure by reducing vessel diameter. 30. Which is the correct pathway of blood through the heart? Right atrium, right ventricle, lungs, left atrium, left ventricle, body. B. Right atrium, right ventricle, lungs, body. C. Left atrium, left ventricle, body, right atrium, right ventricle, lungs. D. Left atrium, right ventricle, right atrium, lungs. Answer A. Rationale. This is the correct pathway, following the flow through the right side to the lungs, then the left side to the body.
Thank you for joining us for this cardiovascular quiz. I hope you found it valuable for your studies and practice. If you enjoyed the quiz, please give it a thumbs up and share with your fellow nursing students or colleague. And don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes, tips, and nursing insights. Turn on the notification so you never miss out on our latest video. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.